Another glorious day here in southeast Queensland. What do we say? Beautiful one day, perfect the next. It gives me, June Cranage, Harcourt's Green Living, immense pleasure to introduce to you today number 26 O'Connell Parade here in Wellington Point, only metres from the foreshore of Moreton Bay. This luxurious executive style entertainer with premium fittings and fixtures and centrally located in Wellington Point and within walking distance to the village will tempt the astute buyer and be the envy of many. Built by the present owners and only 6 months old, this architect designed modern home, along with the lifestyle it affords, makes a desirable property in every way. The middle level has 2 large built-in bedrooms, a 2-way bathroom with double sink, a soundproofed media room, double station office and a family games room. Flowing out from this casual living space is the covered alfresco entertainment area. The outdoor resort style private pool area is accessed from here. The 3rd level brings us to the gourmet kitchen, an entertainer's delight with stone and stainless steel appliances. There is of course the added feature of the butler's pantry, an absolute must for the modern day chef. The adjacent balcony brings the outdoors in with the added feature of a built-in barbecue. With this alfresco entertainment area, we are able to appreciate the easterly views from the Eagle's Nest over Moreton Bay to North Stradbroke Island. Also included on this level is another large bedroom, the main bathroom and a quiet reading TV area. From here we move further into the master bedroom, which overlooks the resort pool area on the lower level. The large ensuite comes with a 5-star rating, featuring the freestanding half-egg bath to the double corner shower and the double sink and makeup station. Are you ready for a lifestyle change, a total lifestyle change? It doesn't get any better than 26 O'Connell Parade here in Wellington Point. You come and be the judge.